for women to be in some field, I mean, it always goes for the minority. It's not only women. I think a lot of men also maybe in different areas that are in, they see themselves in minority, is that sometimes you can't fight, but I would say I recommend the path of silent warrior, if you can say that. Just stay focused on something that you love and you believe in. If you get a couple of laughs in the side, it's okay. You just stay focused. It's gonna be fine, and that's what I have done, and I recommend also to anyone that wants to fight for something. Just do it by staying focused on it.